start with my summertime morning skincare routine, let me quickly tell you a few things about my skin which I think is very important. My skin type is combination with an oily T-zone, and my skin becomes extremely dry in the winters and extremely oily in the summer and especially monsoon. So I have to deal with my skin according to the season that I am in. I'm sure we all have to do that. So one of the major issues that my skin faces in summers is that my pores get clogged, resulting in comedonal acne. Hence my skin is not at its best state right now. I have a lot of acne marks. The things that I do to combat these issues in summers are that firstly, I use a very light water or gel based skincare products, and then I use the products that are non-comedogenic. I try and keep my skin cool. I'll tell you how I do that. And finally, I let my skin be at times. I give my skin some time to breathe because I'm applying all the skincare products all the time or makeup all the time. So it's important that my skin gets a breather. It's very, very, very important. So I just let it be. I don't apply anything at all, and I think my skin is happy that way. So yeah, these are the things that I do. Now let me quickly take you to the routine. Step number 1 is ice packing. Of course, I don't do this every single day. I do it whenever I remember or I have the time, which is say once or twice in 10 days. So what I do is I take a clean cotton cloth. It can be any cloth. This is a random hanky that I have, and I take a few cubes of ice, okay, and then I take the cloth like this. I place the ice cubes here and I make like a potli out of it, and then I just dab it onto my skin. This is very good to depuff your skin, especially around your eyes, and this is very good for your pores, as in it shrinks your pores, and it also helps to make your skin glowy. So I really like this method. This is very calming and very, very soothing, so you can absolutely do this once or twice in 10 days or whenever you remember. Of course, don't go overboard with it. Also, if you don't like putting ice on your face directly, what you can do is you can use a sheet mask. You can put the sheet mask in the freezer for say 10-15 minutes, and then you can put it on your skin for say again 10-15 minutes, and then you can take it off. You'll feel equally calm and equally cool. So that is also a nice way to do this. See, just 5 minutes and your skin feels so refreshed and so calm. I just love this process. Now moving on to the step number 2, that is toning. I'm using the Requil Vitamin C Face Toner. This is for all skin types. This is non-comedogenic, and this one is also alcohol free. This helps reduce dark spots, pigmentation. This also brightens your skin, and it is all vitamin C. So a great toner for summers. I don't have to separately use a vitamin C serum when I'm using this, so one less product is always good. So I really like this one. So I'll tell you what I do. I take a few pumps on my hand and then I apply it on my face and my neck like this. I don't like to use cotton pads because I think you end up losing so much product, and it just becomes like a process, taking the cotton pad separately and the toner. I think it's a process. I prefer my hands. I'll just let this be on my skin for say a minute and then move on with step number 3. Step number 3 is under eye cream. I'm using the Requil under eye cream. I've already spoken about this product in my last video, I think, so you can definitely find the link here. And this is a great under eye cream, I think, because it is very lightweight. This is not thick at all, and this is non-comedogenic. This has really helped me deep off my under eyes and has also helped me reduce, I think, the under eye bags. So I really like this under eye cream. So what I do is I take this much and then I divide it into my 2 fingers and then gently massage it around my under eyes. Now the next step is the moisturizer. I'm using the Emollient moisturizing cream. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. I also spoke about this product in my last video, so you can find the link for it here. And this is a great moisturizer, I think. This is especially for the dry skin type. So what I do is I take a lesser amount, like this much, for both my face and neck, and then I massage it onto my skin like this. Step number 5 is sunscreen, the most important step of all for me, for everyone, I think. And I'm using the Requil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. I've already spoken enough about this sunscreen, so you can find the link here. This is a great sunscreen for summers. This is SPF 50 with PA4+. So a great sun protector. I take this much, maybe a little more, yeah, and I'll gently spread it all over my face. This is a very funny way of applying the sunscreen, but I like it in this way. It just covers everything, I feel. Okay, creating a shield with sunscreen around your skin and you're sorted. See, I love the texture of this sunscreen. It is so smooth and so light. The final step is moisturizing your lips, and I'm using my Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. I take some on my finger and then done. Some on my eyelashes. This is my summertime morning skincare routine. These might look like too many steps, but trust me, once you form the habit, you see the result. And once you see the result, all the mehnat will be worth it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share your summertime skincare routine with me. I'd really love that, and I really hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys do not miss out on anything at all. And I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.